So as well as bread going on and some eggy lunch, Andrew is now multitasking.
Well,
and
we're gonna bind our eggs and pasta and chives and whatever else we want to do with some fresh mayonnaise. So this is just a simple mayonnaise.
So you've got one egg in there?
I've got one egg in there. I've got
What was that?
a pinch
Pepper?
of salt. Pepper. Sorry.
Yeah.
A pinch of kosher salts.
Kosher salts?
Yeah, kosher salt doesn't have anti-caking agents in it.
Okay.
And it's also a much coarser grain and it's easier to pinch.
I can buy coarse salt in
Yeah,
England.
you can use coarse salt.
Okay. I haven't looked for kosher salt, to be fair. Waitrose, maybe.
And we're going to put about a teaspoon
Ooh, vinegar.
of white vinegar in there.
Yucky.
You eat vinegar all the time, just don't know.
I just don't like it on its own.
And about 240 mils of sunflower oil, vegetable oil. You can use a really, really mild olive oil.
What gives mayonnaise the whiteness then?
Oh, you'll see.
Okay.
You will see here in a second.
I will be enlightened.
So we put the little blending wheel on our bar mix. Any kind of stick
The
mix.
whizzer.
Yeah, whatever you call them, stick mix. So mayonnaise is an emulsion. Oh,
Look at those bubbles. Oh, it's like a lava lamp. It really is like a lava lamp. That's very cool.
Forgot to put the grey poupon in.
Your grey what?
The grey poupon.
Mustard.
Yes. Mustard is an emulsifier. So it allows things that would, or it helps things that don't normally mix, like oil-based and water-based things, to blend.
Okay.
And it gives it a nice flavour as well. You can put a bit of white wine in there. You do all sorts.
Cool.
So, we stick this into the bottom. And then the magic starts.
You pushed it right down to the bottom, yeah?
Yep, and then I'm just letting it blend for a second in the bottom.
Oh, well, I never knew that.
And then just slowly bringing it up the glass. And that is a very, very simple, traditional French mayonnaise.
Done.
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 I might throw it in the freezer just
So I was thinking to chill it a little bit.
Yeah. So, have a taste.
Ooh.
Once you learn how to make your own mayonnaise, you'll never ever buy it again.
Okay, you have to bring the spoon towards the camera. I don't want that much. I don't want that much. Can you take some of it off? That's it.
Picky, ain't you?
Yeah, very. Go on then.
It's mayonnaise.
It's definitely mayonnaise.
Cool, that.
Yeah,
The nice thing is, you know exactly what went in it.
very cool.
Salt, pepper, one
does
egg,
need to be colder,
bit of
though.
vinegar, and some oil,
Cool.
and a bit of mustard.
Woohoo.